Thank you 2025 and welcome 2026. But what are we thankful for 2025?
2025, thank you for number one, surviving another year. Number two, knowing who to touch. Number three, moving to new department. Number four, knowing new people. And number five, thank you for preparing me for 2026. Okay.
Game.
So looking back at 2025, I want to say thank you for several experiences that I've had. I'm very grateful for. One of which is my family and my personal connections and new ones that I've formed. I also want to thank the new experiences that I've had and all those lessons and also the personal comforts and personal milestones and goals that I was able to reach. Thank you. Looking forward to 2026.
Yes, looking forward.
Aking pasasalamat ngayong 2025 ay ang pagkakaisa ng bawat isa. Example, dito sa Team Manda, like kay aking kahit siya'y nagbabayad ng PLDT, kahit hindi mo sabihin na kailangan sa bahay, ay may pusta.
May pusa?
Hindi nakakalimutan pa-check up si Papa. Kay Bunso naman, kahit siya ang pinakamalaking bayad, ay nagtutulong pa rin sa bahay. At isa pa napansin ko ay, at naiyak ako sa akin, ay yung birthday ni Kylie na nakita ko ang pagtutulungan ng bawat isa. Na nabuo ang napakasayang 18th birthday ni Kai. Lastly, sa Team Tagi naman ay masaya na ako makita ko kayong masaya at malulusog at ano tawag ito? Masayang pamilya. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you,
Thank you sa lahat.
Thank you.
Hello. Hi. Good evening. 12:31:25 Wednesday. Ito ay pananalita ng pamilya. First of all, thanks to God for success and year 2025. Salamat din po ating pamilya. 2025 New Year. Wala pong hassle sa amin, pamilya. Bakasyon sa Bisaya ang mag-asawa. Dahil sa birthday ko at nag-birthday pa po ako noong 2025. Salamat po.
Tama naman. Yay!
Salamat sa 25 hanggang ngayong New Year. Thailand na samahan kami. Samahan namin pa rin kami. Maraming salamat din sa mga kapatid ko sa Bicol. God bless us all. Thanks. 2025. Ang sabi, konti lang. Pero marami pa sana to. Okay? Yung pamilya, para sa pamilya. Sa kapatid, sa kapatid. Thank you very much. Happy New Year! Well,
Ayan po yung K-Pops.
uy, ako magtusok mo.
Ulo.
Ayun.
Okay. And syempre ako na, hala, pupunta pa pala.
Uy, mag-iiyak ka na naman.
Hello po! Hi! Hi! Thank you 2025 for 2025. Simple lang to. Wala akong SL for fiscal year 2025. Thank you, Lord. Yes! Naka-finish ako ng isang book. Buong book. Thank you po. Finally, may bago akong Bible. Thank you, Ma'am C. At syempre, I was able to reconnect with my high school friends. And nakapag-host ako ng at least 10 events. At syempre, thank you at healthy ang buong pamilya kasama si Panda and Peachy. Maraming salamat 2025.
At may fun.
Ha? May
May
fan.
fan.
Correct. Ganun.
May tusok mo na.
Ay, sorry.
Nandawag mo kumain.
Yes, thank you so much. 2025,
Nice
and welcome 2026.
Thank you so much again, 2025. And yes, we are all ready for 2026. Kaya naman guys, let's embrace, stay safe, happy, and kind. Bawal ang nakasimangot. Until next time, this is your Kapan Media. Please follow for more and see you again on my next post.